Hey guys, happy Sunday morning. We are having some late breakfast. I'm making it on our oyster griddle. I'm gonna make some stuff here. So we got some turkey sausage going. Maybe put some in here to cook.
You said it's finished, right?
Yeah, it's okay. So here's our turkey sausage. We have some Texas. We have some Texas toast. By the way, check my shirt out, Cooking with Vish and Nalini. Please subscribe, like, share on YouTube. Alright, so moving on. We have some Texas toast. So we're gonna toast these up. How many should I make, babe?
You can do 4 of these here too.
So 4 and then 4? Yeah. Okay. We have some waffles, Eggo waffles. It's the original. And one more fit?
Yeah.
One more fit here.
We'll put one more, stick one more in there.
No, it's gonna be two.
Yeah, put one more.
One more?
Oh.
Okay. So our turkey sausage, Eggo waffle, Texas toast. Then we're gonna be making some eggs. And like I said, it's a late breakfast. I'm sure you guys are having lunch somewhere.
We're gonna do some eggs on this toaster here.
Tawa?
Oh, yeah, it's a tawa, or you can call it whatever. I usually make pizza here and do other stuff in it. So here we have the eggs. It's already have onion, garlic, pepper, salt. So we got onion, pepper, salt, black pepper, pepper flakes. So I guess it might come out like a pizza egg.
Yeah, we're not cooking it in a traditional frying pan. We just want to cook it in here today. That's all.
We like to do different things. You want to try those?
So let's check this out. Check these out. So here's our Texas toast. It's toasting nicely. Check those out. I think, yep, these are toasting too. Let's check our sausage. That's our turkey sausage is going. Turn those over. Goes over. Goes over. Goes over. Oh, there you go. Our sausage, waffle, Texas toast. Okay. And we like our eggs cooked brown. We don't have cooked eggs, so.
Yep, there goes eggs there. Eggs is done there. Let it cook there.
Yep. Here is our stuff.
You turn these.
Yep. Chef Vishal.
Hey guys.
I already just turned it.
Oh, you just
Yeah.
turn this here too?
Everything is done.
Okay.
So we're just gonna wait for that to cook. Are we gonna put more Texas toast and more waffles?
Yeah, we're gonna do all that and done with
all
it.
the waffles and the Texas toast? Cool.
Yep.
Well, that means we're not gonna be having dinner today because there's a lot of food.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey guys, we get chow mein. We're gonna make chicken chow mein in the next in the next hour, I would say, when we finish this here.
So be on the lookout for the video.
No, coming up.
What's the latest video we post on YouTube?
I can't remember, but we're gonna get chicken chow mein. We're gonna do next.
Okay.
So look out for that video. It's gonna come up pretty soon.
Okay.
What's the latest video?
Yeah.
I can't remember.
Gosh, we post so many videos.
Yeah.
And I remember what we cooked. But let us know. No, it wasn't huri. It was curry.
Something like that, I think.
But guys, leave a comment. Let us know how you're liking our videos on YouTube. In case you didn't know, the channel is Cooking with Visha Nalini. Here. Cooking with Visha Nalini. Let us know how you like our videos. Let us know if you want us to cook a different dish. If you tell us what is it you want. We'll try to accommodate you. Let us know if you like our videos. Leave a like, subscribe. Actually, it's very important. You guys need to subscribe. Very important.
Alright guys, here's our breakfast. Thank you guys for watching. We're having Texas toast, waffle, turkey sausage, and eggs.